Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a secure and private V2Ray connection using the HTTP Injector app. This setup will help you enhance your online privacy and enjoy safer browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, search for the HTTP Injector app, and install it on your phone. Next, you'll need to create a V2Ray account. Open Chrome or any reliable browser and search for UDP Custom. Select the official UDP Custom website. On the website, click the menu button and choose the V2Ray Servers option, followed by Free V2Ray Servers. Enter your desired username and complete the I'm Not a Robot CAPTCHA verification. Tap Create V2Ray Server to generate your server configuration. You'll be presented with a list of different configurations. Select the V2Ray config that best suits your needs. Tap Copy to automatically copy your preferred V2Ray account details. Now launch the HTTP Injector app. Tap the SSL/TLS button, then select the V2Ray option and save your choice. Go back to the home screen, tap the hamburger menu icon to open the full menu. From the options, select V2Ray/X-Ray. In the upper right corner, tap the plus button and then tap Paste. The app will automatically import your copied V2Ray account details. You can customize some settings here, such as updating the host field with a working server name indication, SNI, for your country. Once you've made your adjustments, head back to the main screen and tap the Start button to initiate your secure connection. And that's it. You're now connected securely using HTTP Injector with V2Ray for enhanced privacy and security. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.